Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. In front of me I have cleaning tool and I'm going to use this brush, but you can also use a toothbrush if you haven't cleaning tool. Also I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. It doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no circuit. Now I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts on the earbuds, and right here we have it. Also I'm going to apply it at the charging case and on the right earbud. Now I need to use toothbrush and clean charging contacts. Here we go. I need to make the same with the left earbud. And the charging contacts on my charging case. Now let's clean the grill, so we need to remove earbuds. Here we go. Now let's clean it, make it slightly. Now let's apply ear tip. And now let's remove it from the right ear cup, and also I need to clean it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!